Welcome to BBC Learning English. I'm Sam, and today I'm happy. In fact, I'm very happy. I'm really happy. Thrilled. I'm really thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. My happiness keeps getting bigger and bigger. I started with the word happy. Happy is a gradable adjective, so I can be happy here, quite happy here, very or really happy here. What's another way to say very or really happy? Thrilled. Thrilled is not a gradable adjective. It's an extreme adjective. It's already up here. So can we make it stronger? Yes, you can use really, I'm really thrilled, or absolutely, I'm absolutely thrilled. But you can't use very.